Contracts are down 4.2% from last week, but homes are going under contract in just 9 days. It's Friday, April 14th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market. New inventory to the market is down 54% compared to a year ago and off by 11.4% week over week. Fewer homes on the market will continue to constrain inventory growth and support stable prices despite fewer closed sales. Homes coming soon rose to 1,216. 480 homes came to the market, reflecting a significant drop week over week. 511 went under contract, up again this week as 769 moved to pending. 925 sold, dropping to 7 days on the market before contract, while holding steady at 100% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home to sell over the past week was in Bethesda for $4,635,000. There are 1,816 rentals available for lease, holding at $2,200 per month and leasing in just 26 days. What's on your mind about our local market? Message me your questions. And that's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, April 14th, 2023. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great weekend. I'll see you next week.